Meron tayong bagong project dito sa Naik, Cavite. And this is Palmerston North, Naik, Cavite. Ito yung newest project ng Hammer Realty Marketing and Development Corporation. Two-story townhouse na may two bedrooms, may living, kitchen, dining, at service area. The best part? May car park na. May amenities katulad ng basketball court, swimming pool, at clubhouse. At syempre, dahil ito ay community, gated and secured 24/7. Mas pinalawak na lot area with 48 square meters at floor area na 44.40 square meters. Siyempre ang presyo for only 1.8 million pesos for as low as 11,000 through Pag-ibig Financing. May down payment na stretch up to 10 months to pay for as low as 15,000 pesos. And may reservation fee tayo na for only 10,000 pesos. Almost 200 plus na po ang sold natin dito. Kaya naman, the question is, anong cravings mo as an adult? Cravings mo na rin ba ang magkaroon ng sarili mong bahay? At sawa ka na rin ba sa kakaupa? Well, I got you. Minsan may mga opportunity na tahimik lang pero kapag nalaman mo, mapapaisip ka. Imagine this, paying around 11,000 monthly pero sarili mo ng bahay at hindi renta. Perfect for starting families or first-time homeowners. May imagine mo ba na ganito ang buhay kapag may sariling bahay? Morning coffee sa sarili mong garage. Tahimik na gabi kasamang pamilya sa bahay na ikaw ang may-ari. At alam mo ba na marami ng infrastructure dito sa Cavite? Katulad ng River Park, Gentry Global City, may modern transport na rin, Calax Governor's Drive Interchange, Maple Grove Dulong Bayan Bypass Road, at marami pang iba. Plot twist. One message away and you can start your home owner's journey.